Hi guys, welcome to ITPK. In today's quick video, I'm gonna show you how to use DeepSeek and I will show you the basic setup of DeepSeek. DeepSeek is an AI reasoning model, and if you are not much familiar with DeepSeek, this is an AI reasoning model which we're gonna use in a chatbot. I will show you shortly. DeepSeek is free to use. You can even download and install it on your local computer, and you could also use it on their website. So, to get to DeepSeek, please go to deepseek.com, and here we have to go to free access to DeepSeek V3 Experience the Intelligent Model. And DeepSeek R1 is gonna available here as well. So let's go ahead and click on Start Now. Okay, at DeepSeek sign in page, I don't have an account. So we supposed to sign up here on DeepSeek. Let's go ahead and click on sign up and let's enter the email. Let's confirm the password. I confirm that I have read the consent and agreed to DeepSeek term of use and privacy policy. Let's click on send code. Okay, hopefully DeepSeek will send the code on my email. Let's go ahead and quickly open the email because we have only 60 seconds to get verified. Okay, 361860. 361860. Let's go ahead and sign up to DeepSeek. I want to save the password as well, and I am signed up to DeepSeek. Perfect. And we could write here our queries and prompts. If you use ChatGPT, we can write our queries and prompt. Same here in the DeepSeek. Hi, DeepSeek. If you want to use the R1 reasoning model of the DeepSeek, that is here. This powerful feature of DeepSeek will help you with reasoning problems. Now I'm gonna give this prompt to DeepSeek that requires some thinking and reasoning. Let's also select the DeepThink R1. How can you prove your reality is real or not a simulation? Let's go ahead and send this to DeepSeek. And if you can see here that DeepSeek is thinking to answer like a human. And if you want, you can minimize what's happening here because this is the thinking and reasoning of DeepSeek. And also, this is not the real answer, right? Because still DeepSeek is thinking. And if you want to explore DeepSeek capabilities, you can go through all of this answer and you can analyze that how DeepSeek is thinking. So we had this in light color, and the answer for our question begins from here. The question of whether our reality is simulation or real, and we are getting answer from DeepSeek in details after thinking. So let's go ahead and see that DeepSeek took 50 seconds. Think about this answer here. Let's minimize this. After thinking for 50 seconds, DeepSeek gave us this perfect answer. Right, let's see the conclusion that simulation hypothesis straddle science, philosophy, and metaphysics, while intriguing thoughts, experiments, and potential tests exist. So I'm not going to all of this. Now, the next interesting thing about DeepSeek we're gonna see here is that with selecting DeepThink R1, we could select the search as well. That is not possible in ChatGPT O1 model. So now we have combined the DeepThink R1 and search, and we are asking DeepSeek that NVIDIA recently had a drop in share price. Is this a good buy? I'm not experienced about this NVIDIA drop and share prices, but I just want to show you this as an example that how we can use both search and DeepThink R1. Let's go ahead and send this to DeepSeek. While DeepSeek is thinking, I want to confirm you that please make sure you have taken only a minute to create your profile like I have created. Because once you will create your profile, DeepSeek gonna remember all of your preferences and project here. So whenever you come back and wanna work at any other project, you could go here and start from there. Okay, DeepSeek is thinking now. Here is the DeepSeek reasoning and thinking that took 34 seconds. So that's great. DeepSeek is answering me as a DeepThink R1 and also getting the search results for me. So very perfect. I'm not going to read all of this answer, but I'm just amazed that DeepSeek combined the deep think search and the web search and give me a perfect answer. So that's it about today's impressive video on DeepSeek, that how we can use DeepSeek. We have quickly signed up for DeepSeek and we have seen some quick prompt. We also checked the deep think or one model of the DeepSeek and also the web search. So that's it about today's tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like ITPK. Let me know in the comments how the DeepSeek is and stay tuned for the next tutorial. Take care. Bye.